What's up? It's your girl Alicia Jones, and in today's video I'm doing a room tour. Y'all, I've had this room for a little over a year and I have not shown you guys the room tour. So if y'all are hoping for some fancy smancy stuff, then you could just exit left right now, because this room is really simple and everything I have in here is affordable. So this is like a simple filming room tour, if you want to call it that. But basically, let's start over here. So this is a couch that I already had, that was already down here in the basement. My filming room was down here in the basement, by the way. But I think this pillow I picked up from Walmart. This I got from Hello Tea, which is a black owned company, and I love it so much. I just thought it kind of fits me because I'm the queen of the house. But yeah, I really like that. And then I just got two pillows, you know. This I think I picked this up from Target, and I just got it, I don't even know, I just got it to have a little something extra on the couch, and also to use for when I'm gaming down here in case I got cold. Let's come over here. So babe got these for me, and it's just some affirmations, and it's just positivity, different quotes. Every day is what you make it, never stop learning, think big, you are capable of more than you know. And then these little plants I got on Amazon, I got like 4 for $11, and I ordered 2 sets. So yeah, I really like these plants. I just wanted to like have a wall pop, because without all this stuff it's really plain. Now here, these are some paintings that my friend gave to me that she made before she left to go live in Las Vegas. So that one she made. This one she made for me for my birthday, and it was to celebrate me reaching 1 million views on my channel. And then there is another painting of hers right up there, and y'all, if y'all interested, y'all should check her out. She is really creative. Her company is called From Pain to Painting, and she tells a story through her art. So I highly recommend that y'all check it out. And then here's another one too. I love this one so much. Pink and black are my favorite colors. I really like that. Next, we are going to get into, I have more paintings that I need to put up, but this is my Attack on Titan hat, and I just like to keep that there. I feel like it kind of go well, you know. Like I said, it's not gonna be nothing fancy, but this right here, I got this poster from did I get it from the Wax Museum? The Wax Museum, I think, in Orlando. Clueless is one of my favorite movies of all time, so I had to get that. Definitely. That's just a carpet that I picked up from either Target or Walmart, and it's just to like do my selfies on. And then we have this mirror here. Now this mirror I got from Target, and it was $90. I just like it, you know. I wanted to have something for like if I'm doing like an outfit of the day, or just to just have something down here. I could just take pictures in front of this. And then this is my BTS calendar. So yeah, I'm really into BTS. I love BTS. They take me back to my days of when I used to listen to NSYNC, and it just makes me feel really good. So whenever I'm down, I turn on BTS. So that's Jungkook right there. Hey! But yeah, this is my ring light. I got this ring light off of Amazon, and it was 60 bucks. And I think that's pretty affordable for a ring light. So thing I like about this ring light, you can put it to them settings, you can dim it, right there. You can make it as bright as you want it to go, and then you can change it to look like that. So I use this to film with, but I do plan on upgrading. So yeah, I do plan on upgrading. Now over here, it look a little ratchet, but this is my table that I keep all of my hair supplies, because like I said, it's my filming room, so I do film down here, and I keep them all over here so I can easily get to them. So it's just like different. I got my mousses, water spray bottle, oils, Hawaiian silky, oil sheen, edge control, hairpins, all that type of stuff, you know, hair clips, crochet needles, because I do a lot of crochet videos. So it's just that. And then over here, this is my desk. Now sometimes I come down here and edit. I don't come down here and edit as much as I would like to, but I need to come down here more. Now this right here is supposed to be my gaming setup. I got my gaming laptop, which does not have enough storage for the games that I play. It's only like 4 gigs, so I gotta upgrade it. You got my Xbox over here, my Turtle Beach headsets, and then my monitor. So, and then also my gaming chair, which babe got for me on Amazon, and it is so nice. It is so cute. Like, check it out. It's so comfy. This, I actually did a video on this when I did an Amazon haul. That is like my mirror that I do my makeup in when I come down here to film. I don't remember the deets on that, but I'll have that link too, because I bought that on Amazon as well. And then this right here, I believe I got this from Walmart, and I really like this. I just customized it to how I wanted it to be, because my gaming channel on Twitch is called Amo for Show, and Instagram I'm Amo for Show. But there we go. And I like that you can set it to whatever settings that you wanted to do. Flash, strobe, fade, and then you can like change the colors that you wanted to go to. And I really like that so much. So when I was trying to game, I did turn that on. But over here, I just got like some plants. My son got me these plants, that one and that one I picked up from Target, and they're like dollar section, so I think those were each $1 each. These candles was over there too, they were $1 each. This I got from Burlington. I really like that, because if you want to see results, you got to work for them. So that's why I put that up there. And then I got this from Burlington as well. And whenever I'm down here, I just come and change it, you know. So I am obsessed with candles. So I have a lot of candles under there. A lot of candles, Walmart candles. This candle I got from a black owned company, Jackson Candle Company. Love this so much. Bath and Body Works candles. And I keep lotion down here and hand sanitizer, because I just like to keep that on deck. This is a Stone Cold bank. I love this. This bank I got from a friend that I went to school with. So Stone Cold is a wrestler, for those of y'all who don't watch wrestling. But I wanted to fill my room with stuff that I love, so that's what I did. Over here I just have my hair accessories. I got some bonnets in here, some scarves, headbands. Yeah, I don't think y'all need to see all that, but yeah, mannequin head for when I make wigs, which I purchased that off of Amazon as well. And then somebody was like, they wanted to see my weave closet, but these are my weave drawers. So this is like all the weave. I'm doing a video on that soon, but that's like all my weave. And then I got some more drawers over here, more weave, more weave. Now this is just a half of it. This is not actually the closet. This is the stuff that I've actually filmed with or plan on filming with like soon. And then over here I just have my human hair wigs over here. I keep them separate from the synthetic. And then a little charging station or whatever. Now this right here is where I was supposed to be taking pictures, like having a backdrop, and I never use it, and it's all dusty and stuff now. So yeah, that's my backdrop that I was supposed to see. Anyways, I have this poster. Hold on, close that up, because my daughter, she films too, so that's her side over there. But my Legend of Zelda, and then my Attack on Titan. So yeah, and then these are some streaming lights that babe got me that I have not got to use yet, because I wanted to get a connector and then connect all of them. And then this is just a curtain that he got me to like to divide the rooms, because sometimes when I come down here to film, my daughter, she comes down here and she just is over there doing her own thing. So if y'all hear a lot of that background noise, that's her over there. Yeah, so this room is just basically filled with a lot of the stuff that I love. We got a little bit of wrestling, which I love wrestling. We got game, we got anime, we got movies, Clueless, we got art. Yeah, so we got her down here. I ain't gonna say her name because if I do, she gonna light up, but y'all know who she is. That is pretty much it for my room tour. I know that a couple of you guys were waiting on it, so sorry it took a little over a year. So let me know, do y'all have a filming space? What do you guys where do y'all film at? I'll have everything posted if y'all interested in checking it out. But I love coming down here. It's like my happy place. It's like my quiet place. I'm sorry I'm looking so busted and crusty. All right, y'all, I'm rambling now, but I'll see y'all in the next video. Thanks for tuning in.